Welcome to third engineer and fourth engineer common questions asked during interview, during promotional assessment. This doesn't mean that the only fourth engineer and third engineer are asked cadets, wipers, and oilers, but so take note of this. If any questions that you found hard to search in the internet, then write your comment in the comment box and I will answer you while waiting for my video answering all these questions. Guys, number one is for the purifier. Purifier and explain what is an interface. What are the factors that affect the position of interface? There are 4 factors that affects the position of interface and you have to enumerate that. And what is clarifier and purifier? And what do you mean by the acronym ALCAP system? ALCAP, what does it mean dealing with alpha Laval purifiers? And explain the separation temperature. What is the function of Mitsubishi pilot bulb? What is the function of alpha Laval bulb plug? In any purifier or clarifier, explain the reason why opening water pressure is always higher than the closing water pressure. How to select a correct size of gravity desk? When you have high specific gravity, what inside diameter of gravity desk are you going to use, and vice versa. And explain the reason why current is high during starting, dislodging, and purifier bowl leak. When it is known that the next fuel to be used is dirty, what countermeasures to treat the fuel? What is the function of a friction pad? When purifier is just overhauled, what checks do you consider when your purifier is not closing? Compressor. How do you carry out performance test? Regular daily maintenance of compressor. Enumerate the safety devices mostly fitted in the compressor. You are in a humid area. You found oil, water emulsion, no leaks on the colors. What do you think is the cause of emulsion? Explain the purpose of unloader and when does it operate and why. As an engineer in charge, what is the first maintenance you should ensure to protect the tubes? How to check ignition failure and flame failure? What are the safety devices of boiler? Why do you need to keep gasket tank as high as possible? When you notice white smoke or black smoke, what do you think is the cause? Explain the importance of boiler blowdown. And next is explain the importance of level gauge glass blowdown. When you are at sea and found boiler feed water pump is malfunctioning, what is the first action you will take? Next is what is the normal pH value of boiler water? Next is what is the correct sequence of valve when you carry out blowdown and why. Now we come to generator. For these questions are very common for third engineer and fourth engineer. What are the safety devices, of course? And to prevent blackout, what maintenance you need to ensure? What is a tappet clearance? Explain the reason why in taking or adjusting tappet clearance, why is it referred to firing order? What is the relevance when you take the tappet clearance? Explain why we always refer to the firing order. Explain the impact of using LSMGO when plunger and barrel is concerned. Enumerate the possible causes of one cylinder high exhaust gas temperature. What are the causes of all cylinder exhaust gas high temperature? And what is TBN? Explain why generator lube oil TBN is higher than the main engine TBN. What is the primary purpose of lambda control? Why we need our engine room slightly pressurized? Remember, engine room must be always pressurized, and what is the reason for that? And once again, if any of these questions you find it hard to search in the internet, you can write down a comment and I will answer you while waiting for the answers of these questions, guys. And then next is the freshwater generator. What is the purpose of jacket water bypass valve? Enumerate the causes of low production. Which gives more production? Low seawater temperature or high seawater temperature, and explain why. Enumerate the causes of high salinity. Explain the importance of vacuum. During stopping of freshwater generator and you observe shell is filling up with seawater, what could be the cause? How leakages affect the efficiency of the freshwater generating plant? Now we come to pumps. Enumerate the main difference of centrifugal pump and positive displacement pump. Centrifugal pump. You observe the pump discharge pressure is dropping and found no leakage. What do you suspect that may have caused the pressure to drop? Centrifugal pumps are not self-priming. Please explain. Positive displacement pump are self-priming. Please explain. What is cavitation? And which of these pumps are susceptible to cavitation and why? Thank you very much, and please consider subscribing, guys. I hope for your successful interviews and promotion.